Want to make money online with AI, even if you have zero tech skills? Let me show you how ChatGPT can help you earn, automate, and scale your income today. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can assist you in various ways. Whether you're looking to start a new business, enhance your current one, or find new streams of income, ChatGPT has got you covered. From generating content to automating customer service, the possibilities are endless. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of ChatGPT and discover how you can leverage this technology to unlock new opportunities and achieve financial freedom. What would you do with an extra $500 a month? With ChatGPT, you can start freelance writing today. No experience needed. Imagine being able to work from the comfort of your home, setting your own hours, and choosing projects that interest you. Freelance writing offers flexibility and the potential to earn a significant income. Many people in Kenya have already started their freelance writing journey with ChatGPT. For instance, Jane, a university student, now makes enough to cover her tuition fees. Or consider David, who left his 9-to-5 job and now enjoys a better work-life balance. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, structure your articles, and even refine your writing. All you need is a willingness to learn and a passion for writing. So why wait? Start your freelance writing journey today with ChatGPT and unlock new income opportunities. Your path to financial freedom and creative fulfillment begins now. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Kenyan platforms like Kuhustle let you sell AI-assisted writing services and get paid. To get started on Fiverr, create an account, set up your profile, and list your services. Make sure to highlight your expertise in AI-assisted writing to attract clients. On Upwork, sign up, complete your profile, and start bidding on relevant projects. Tailor your proposals to showcase how ChatGPT can enhance the quality and efficiency of your writing. For Kuhustle, register, fill out your profile, and browse through available jobs. Apply to those that match your skills and emphasize your proficiency with AI tools like ChatGPT. By leveraging these platforms, you can tap into a global market and turn your AI-assisted writing skills into a steady income stream. YouTube is booming and you don't even need to show your face. AI tools can generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals for you. Imagine creating engaging content without ever stepping in front of a camera. With tools like ChatGPT, you can write compelling scripts in minutes. Then, use text-to-speech software to create professional-sounding voiceovers. For visuals, there are AI-driven platforms that can help you design eye-catching thumbnails and even edit your videos. This means you can focus on content strategy and growth while automation handles the heavy lifting. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these tools can save you time and effort, allowing you to produce high-quality content consistently. So, why not leverage these technologies to build your YouTube channel and unlock new income streams? Start automating today and watch your channel grow. Growing your YouTube channel can be a game changer for your income, especially with the power of ChatGPT. Here are some essential tips to help you grow fast. First, post at least 2 videos per week. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged and attracting new viewers. Next, optimize your video titles with relevant keywords. This helps your content get discovered more easily in search results. Also, make sure to create eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention. Engaging with your audience in the comments is crucial. Respond to their questions and feedback to build a loyal community. Additionally, use analytics to understand what content performs best and tailor your future videos accordingly. Imagine transforming your content creation process, freeing up your time for other important tasks. Whether you're a freelance writer or a YouTube content creator, ChatGPT can be your ultimate tool for efficiency and creativity. Start by crafting detailed prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce exactly what you need. For blog posts, outline your key points and let the AI flesh them out into a well-structured article. For social media, input your themes and get engaging posts that resonate with your audience. And for ebooks, provide a chapter outline and watch as ChatGPT helps you draft compelling content quickly. By leveraging AI, you can maintain a steady stream of fresh, high-quality content without the burnout. So, why not give it a try and see how ChatGPT can revolutionize your workflow? AI tools can automate various business processes from customer service to marketing. Discover how ChatGPT and other AI tools can save you time and increase efficiency in your business operations. Imagine a world where customer inquiries are handled seamlessly by an AI chatbot, providing instant responses and freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. Marketing campaigns can be optimized with AI-driven insights, tailoring your content to reach the right audience at the right time. By incorporating AI into your business operations, you can streamline workflows, reduce operational costs, and enhance the overall customer experience. Whether it's automating routine tasks or providing data-driven recommendations, AI tools like ChatGPT are transforming the way businesses operate. So explore the possibilities and take your business efficiency to the next level with AI. While using AI tools like ChatGPT, it's important to consider ethical implications and best practices. Learn how to use AI responsibly and ensure your content is accurate and trustworthy. As AI becomes an integral part of your business operations, it's crucial to maintain a balance between automation and human oversight. Ethical AI usage involves transparency in how AI-generated content is created and used. Always disclose when content is AI-generated to maintain trust with your audience. Furthermore, ensure that the data used to train AI models is diverse and free from biases to avoid perpetuating stereotypes or misinformation. Regularly review and update your AI models to align with the latest ethical standards and societal norms. In addition, implement guidelines to monitor and control the output of AI tools. This includes setting up checks and balances to verify the accuracy and reliability of the content being produced. By doing so, you can prevent the spread of false information and maintain the integrity of your business. Remember, AI should enhance human capabilities, not replace them. Use AI as a tool to support your team, allowing them to focus on tasks that require creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. The future of AI is bright, with new opportunities emerging every day. As technology continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve can open new income streams and business ventures for you. One of the most exciting trends is the integration of AI in personalized customer experiences. Imagine leveraging AI to create tailor-made solutions for your clients, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. This can be particularly impactful in sectors like e-commerce, healthcare, and education. Another trend is the rise of AI in predictive analytics. Businesses can now make more informed decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data to forecast trends and behaviors. This not only helps in planning and strategy, but also in risk management and resource optimization. AI-driven automation is also set to revolutionize industries, from autonomous vehicles to advanced robotics in manufacturing. The possibilities are endless. These advancements can significantly reduce operational costs and increase efficiency. Moreover, AI is playing a pivotal role in sustainability efforts. With AI, businesses can optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and develop eco-friendly products and services. This not only benefits the environment, but also enhances brand reputation and customer trust. Lastly, the democratization of AI tools means that even small businesses and freelancers can harness the power of AI without needing extensive technical expertise. Platforms offering AI as a service are making advanced technologies accessible to all, leveling the playing field. To capitalize on these trends, it's crucial to stay informed and continuously update your skills. Join AI communities, participate in webinars, and invest in learning resources. By doing so, you can position yourself as a forward-thinking professional, ready to seize the opportunities that the future of AI holds. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.